Welcome back to the channel. I just want to show you guys how I export markers for chapters in a YouTube video. So on this file here, I've put some markers in and named them. And you can just do that by hitting Command M and you'll make a marker. And then to navigate between markers, you can just hit Shift up and down arrows. And then as you can see by this section over here under Index, normally it's your EDL or your tracks. You can just hit Markers and then you can see what they're named, where the time codes are, and just push the down arrow and you can name and rename if you have to. That's how you can add markers. Now, to get them added into your YouTube video, you go to your timeline. And if you don't see that, you can go down to your smart bins here. If you don't see smart bins, click this three dot menu and say show smart bins. Under smart bins, you got timelines. We're under tutorial edit. I'm going to right click, go under timelines, and I'm going to say export, and we want timeline markers to EDL. So that exports. Now I'm going to show you in Brave what we do is we grab the EDL that we export and drop it into here at buildjustice.com YouTube chapter generator. I'll clear it out here. I'll drop the EDL in, and it basically makes YouTube chapters out of the timestamps. And you can go in here and select all and copy, and then you can paste that into your description of your YouTube channel. And that's how you can create your chapter markers, export it as an EDL, and convert it thanks to William Justice. All right, as always, I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.